are over 100,000 taxi cabs in New York City today. There are probably about 200 in Dallas, but only one of them pays you. This is the cash cab. Alright, looks like we've got our first contestant.
Hey, look at those contestants.
Hello ladies, where to?
DFW Airport.
Alright, well, I have some exciting news for you guys. You're on the cash cab! Cash cab! Cash cab!
What?
Yes.
Wow, what's that?
Well, you ladies have an opportunity to win up to $50,000. I will ask you a series of 50 questions, and for every single one that you get right, I'll give you $1,000 if you're willing to play.
Wow, I'm willing.
If you get 3 questions wrong, I have the right to kick you out of my cab and give you all the money you've earned up until now.
Okay.
Alright, let's play cash cab. Alright, well today, ladies, your topic is going to be the broad subject of physics.
Well, that's great because we have Coach Carter and we know a lot about physics.
You have Coach Carter? You girls are set!
I know.
Alright, first question. For $1,000, what is potential energy?
Energy, isn't that relative to height? Yeah.
Well, a ding ding ding, you've got your first question right, ladies.
We won.
Adding on to the topic of potential energy, can you tell me, for $1,000, the formula to find potential energy?
Is that's MGH.
Ding ding ding! Congratulations!
I win.
You've won $2,000 so far, ladies, without even using your call a friend or call a neighbor on the street.
Let's do it.
Alright, ladies. For $1,000 more, what does a negative acceleration stand for on a graph? Why, yes. Yes, it is.
Positive is
Yes,
Wait,
it is.
oh yeah, it is, never mind.
Yeah, when you have
Did you
negative
say a positive?
acceleration. I said on a graph. Negative acceleration.
It's time for a bonus question. Ah!
Ding 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 ding.
What's the question?
All right.
Your question is. Your question is. On a distance versus time graph, what does a curved line always represent?
Acceleration!
It is acceleration! Ooh! Alright, your next question. For $1,000.
1,000.
Well, that means a conceptual question. When pushing a basket at Walmart and you start to push 3 times harder, what happens? To the acceleration.
Triple? I think it triples.
Final answer?
Yes, it triples.
Ding, ding, ding. There's another $1,000 for you, ladies. You're making bank.
I can't wait.
All right, ladies. Using the formula mg, how much does a 15-kilogram dumbbell weigh on Earth?
100 and
100 and
Your time is running out, ladies.
50.
150. Final answer?
Yes.
$1,000.
Yay!
Object moving with constant velocity experiences what else constantly?
You know, I think we're just gonna have to take a guess on this one.
All right.
Acceleration.
Yes.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, it's my final answer.
Well, I'm sorry. But you just got that one right!
Yay! Woo!
All right, ladies. An object at rest, once acted on by an outside force, will experience movement. What is this law?
Oh, that's Newton's first law.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Final answer.
Yes, it's my final answer.
Congratulations. You are right. Ding. What is the energy of an object in motion related to?
Oh, that's a toughie, isn't it?
Ah.
You are correct.
Yay!
You guys are just making all this money.
I know, we're the dream team.
This must be done on an object to change its movement.
Change its movement. Work.
Oh.
Yes. Now, ladies, for another $1,000, what does it mean when an object changes location?
Just motion.
Ding ding.
Oh, yeah.
A push or pull.
Amy, you got this.
Yes, it is a force. All right, ladies, what force is always present on the Earth? Remember, ladies, you have two cheats. You may call a neighbor or ask someone on the street.
You know, it's alright with Amy. I think we're gonna have to call on someone on the streets because I just don't know.
All right.
Wait, help! What force is always present on Earth? Gravity!
That's correct!
Yay! Thank
Ding,
you.
ding, ding! All right, ladies, for another $1,000. I'm sure you've all been in trigonometry before.
Yeah.
You have.
Back in Mayhem.
Was that a pleasant experience for you?
Nope, never.
All right, well, I'm going to have to ask you to recall those past war memories, if you will, and tell me what SOHCAHTOA stands for.
Nah, not SOHCAHTOA.
Hey, I think that's one of my ancestors.
Sine,
10
Opposite.
seconds remaining.
hypotenuse, cosine, adjacent, hypotenuse, tangent, opposite, adjacent.
I'll give it to her. All right, girls. What is a vector?
A vector. That's... I know it's an arrow. Am I right? An arrow? A vector. A vector is... It's an arrow. Right, Amy? Yeah. Direction and magnitude. Am I... Represented by an arrow. It's all by an arrow.
Ding ding. With no direction, only magnitude is known as...
Is it a scalar?
It is a scalar.
Oh, yeah.
All right, now tell me, what is Newton's third law?
An object that's in motion stays in motion
Unless.
a force is acted upon it.
Yes, that's true.
We hit a girl!
You saw nothing. Ladies, what is the formula for kinetic energy?
Formula for kinetic energy. It's KE equals 1/2 mv squared.
Correct.
Go on.
Given a problem that has no time variable and you are asked to find something else, which equation should you use?
Which equation?
The third one on the Mr. Carter's.
Yeah, the third one.
If you do not know what the third problem equation is, it is final velocity squared equals velocity initial squared plus 2a, open parentheses, xf minus x1, close parentheses.
We have a highway challenge!
Wow!
As we were speeding Coming up, I will ask you a very speedy question. You must answer it very speedily. Ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready!
Are you ready?
I'm ready!
When given two components of a vector, you are made to connect those vectors using one other vector. What is that vector called?
The resultant vector!
Ding, ding, ding! And now a decelerating challenge. When an object is thrown up into the air at the very top of its height, what is the velocity?
0?
Hey, ding a ring a ring a
Oh, yeah.
ding a ding a ding.
All right, ladies, and now we have a red light challenge. I will ask you a series of rapid-fire questions. You will not be counted. It will not be counted against you if you get these questions wrong. Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
All right, Sarah. When an object's acceleration is 0 meters per second squared, what is its velocity?
Constant.
Good.
What's Pythagorean here?
What is the Pythagorean theorem?
A squared plus b squared equals c squared.
Yes, correct. What are some examples of vectors?
Acceleration.
Distance. Acceleration.
All right.
Wait, no, displacement, acceleration.
Displacement.
Acceleration.
Acceleration.
It's all right. You still got it. You still got it. If my hand is an object being suspended, label it as a free body diagram.
mg will be working down. Tension will be working up.
Very nice.
I know.
Question. Is it possible to have an object with absolutely no energy?
Yeah. Right? Yeah.
You're right.
An absolute 0.
Ew.
What is Newton's second law? Newton's.
Does that have to do with acceleration? Yeah, we're gonna go with acceleration.
I'll take it.
Yeah!
All right. And now a 7-Eleven question challenge.
Can we get Slurpee?
I will ask you a question that has something to do with either a 7 or an 11.
Name a type of force.
What? What is a 7-kilogram ball's weight on Earth?
I'm gonna go with 70. Oh, yeah.
Now, leading off of that question, what unit do we measure? What unit do we measure forces in?
Wait. Force? Like newtons?
Ding ding.
Great.
Other than tension and mg, which you have named so far, what is another force?
Just kidding. Friction.
Ding ding. What is the frictional force coefficient's name?
I'm gonna have to call a neighbor on this one.
All right, you want to pull out your phone real quick? Pull out your phone real quick.
Good.
Oh. Go ahead and dial whoever you think will have the answer.
I'm gonna call my good friend Sarah Berryhill.
Hello?
Sarah, hey, it's me.
Hi, Victoria. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
How's your mom?
Oh, she's doing great, but you know.
Oh, hey, did you figure out that rash?
No, Sarah, shut up. Okay, so here's what happened. Me and Amy are in Cash Cab.
Oh my God, Cash Cab! You've got to be joking me.
No, I'm not.
Is your mother there?
Sarah?
Oh,
I
who
need
else
you to
is there?
listen to me.
Who else is there?
Sarah.
Is that guy there? Or is it
Sarah?
Paige? It's Paige.
It's Paige. Sarah,
Oh, Paige.
what is the coefficient of friction?
Mew!
Mew!
Final answer?
It's my final answer.
That is correct.
I'm hanging up on you, Sarah.
Bye, love you.
I don't love her.
A red light challenge! When you are given an equation, Coach Carter has told us to set up different tables regarding x and y. For the y table, what are the different things you must put in it?
For Y, you have to have the XI, the XF, VI, VF, and the time, the change of time, and the acceleration.
Very good. Now, what should you put in for the x?
Your initial? XI, XF, VX, T.
Very good. What term is defined by resistance
To motion.
to motion?
I love you.
Amy, you know this?
It is
Yes!
inertia.
Yay!
What happens to an object that has a force acted on it?
Amy, help me out here, girl.
It accelerates.
Yes, it does. What does equilibrium mean?
Oh, I know this. Constant velocity.
Wow.
I don't know.
Look at you guys. You are racking up so much money. It's another word for an object not moving.
Static.
Why, yes, it is.
Oh, yeah.
If you draw a ball from a height that is unnecessary to know, how much will the energy change?
Is that a trick question?
Huh? She's on to us.
It doesn't change.
Ding ding. What is the amount of potential energy as an object is reaching what you call the height of zero?
Zero energy.
0 joules is correct. Energy! Energy! What is a change in distance?
Velocity.
What is the change in velocity?
Acceleration.
Ding, ding, ding. Tell me, which is greater, static friction or kinetic friction?
Static.
Ding, ding, ding. And as we round our way through this graveyard, Minter's Chapel, if you want to get a good little shot of that.
So dark.
Nope, can't see it at all. Let's ask another question.
Is that an airport?
It's a treacherous road. Yeah, that's an airport.
Okay.
Yes, computer?
Who created Newton's first law?
Newton. Isaac Newton.
Ding, ding, ding. Who created Newton's second law?
can't use that.
Shut up.
Isaac Newton.
Who created Newton's third law?
Isaac Newton.
Ring a ding, 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 ding.
What is the Atwood machine?
The pulley.
All right.
The
next
pulley. The pulley.
Real world example time. I am now pressing down on the gas pedal, causing my change in distance to grow faster and faster. What am I doing?
You're accelerating.
Ding, ding, ding. These cars behind me are gonna hate me. Okay.
I push.
I am now pressing my foot down on the brake pedal. What is happening?
You're decelerating.
Ding, ding.
You're accelerating in the negative direction. Action.
Ding, ding,
Ding, ding, ding. Who created Newton's first, second, and third law?
Isaac Newton.
Oh, that was a killer.
Challenge! Due to recent weather conditions, there has been a lot of ice on the road. What causes us to slip on the ice when we're driving?
The lack of friction.
Ding, 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 ding. What does M stand for in MG?
Mass.
The normal force is always pointing.
Perpendicular to wherever it's in contact. Like that.
Why would a sand truck or an ice truck, or salt, put salt or sand down on the road?
To create friction.
Ding, ding, ding. Now, just a few more questions, ladies. We're almost at DFW
Now.
Airport for you.
I'm
A red light challenge! Name the 3 different types of energy.
We've got kinetic. Potential. What's the last one, Amy?
Yeah. All right, ladies. Last and final question for you to make 50,000 dollars.
I'm ready.
Tell me, a man wants to shoot a banana to a monkey that will not come down to eat that banana. The monkey, whenever the banana is shot at it, begins to fall. At what? Where should the man shoot the banana? Is it A, above the monkey, B, right where the monkey is before he drops, or C, slightly below the monkey?
B.
Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
Congratulations. You girls have just won cash cab!
Yay!
All right, and here we are at the airport for you ladies.
Thanks so
Thank you for
much.
playing cash cab.
No, thank you.
Tune in next week. Challenge! Let's go with personal questions about our class. Unrelated. What is Coach Carter's first name?
Will!
Will Jerry Carter! Ah!
It's Jerry.
Yeah.
All right. Now, rapid fire physics questions. What?
Another personal question. What college did Mr. Carter go to?
A&M!
Oh!
How do you know that?
It
He
says it on
wears
his
the
board.
A&M belt like every day.
Is Coach Carter a coach? And what does he coach?
He coaches cross country. Yes, he's a coach.
I knew that. You just dropped it in between the seats. And it's still recording. How long has he been running every single morning? And what holiday did he run on notoriously?
Christmas.
Dang.
Wait, how do you guys know that?
He told our class one time.
He wanted to be a magician
All
or a professional bowler. He told me that.
right.
Perpendicular to the
To the elbow.
no.
If an object is being pulled by a
Jesus,
rope
how
or
long is
pulls
this
up...
red light?
It's really long. Don't interrupt me. Don't interrupt me! I'm gonna be a diva! Diva! Don't interrupt me! Sarah!
You can turn right on red.
I totally forgot. I was doing red light challenge. That's my excuse.
For a little film crew question.
Are you kidding me?
I'm gonna pee myself. I'm gonna pee.
I can't even get my hand down.
What? I have the problem.
Shut up! I can't reach it and I'm driving. There you go.
You're bird.